The next question, 8.3. Write bond line formulas for isopropyl alcohol 2,3 dimethyl butanil heptane 4-one. So let us quickly start now. The first one is isopropyl alcohol. Now, before writing the bond line formula, let us quickly write down the structural formula. Now, isopropyl alcohol, the structure is, in this case, this is one carbon, carbon, and carbon. Okay, in many of the videos, I have already explained what is the meaning of iso group, and then the trick also I have shared many a times. Okay, so the trick is wherever you find the possibility or the presence of this particular group, okay, the 7 group, just remember the 7 shape. Okay, it can be reverse or inverse. So whichever form it has, okay, it is present. So this is the iso group. So basically on the second carbon atom, there is what? The functional group present. So we have a OH group present over here. Okay, and then I'm going to balance it with hydrogen. So this is the structural formula. Now talking about the bond line formula, simply I'm going to draw, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. On the second carbon, we have OH group. Okay, I'll just write down here below. 1, 2, 3. And then on the second carbon, we have OH group. Clear? So this is about the first structure. Then the next one is, the second one is 2,3 dimethyl butanil. Okay, 2,3 dimethyl butanil. Now, same way, first we are going to write down the structural formula. Butanol is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, but I have written. And Al stands for CHO group. Okay, that is the aldehyde group. So, this is C double bond OH. And on the second position, because this is first, this is second, this is third, and fourth. So, on the second position, we have methyl. Second position, we have a methyl. Clear? So this is how we are going to write down the structural formula. And then lastly, you balance it with hydrogen. CH3, CH2, sorry, this is CH. I'll just erase out the position. Okay. Here it is CH and that's it. And now we are going to draw the structural formula, the bond line formula. Now here we have the one first carbon, second, third, and fourth. This is the carbon here present. And then on this carbon, we have a double bond and then H. Okay, do not put like this because if you put this line, that means there is one more carbon. That is totally wrong. Only double bond we are going to show, double bond to oxygen atom. And no need to put the hydrogen. It is understood there is what? There is hydrogen present. Okay. And then on this carbon, we have a methyl group. So this is how we are going to, and then one more methyl group. This is the answer for question number 2, that is 2,3 dimethyl butanil. Coming to the third one is heptane 4-one. Now similarly, I'm going to write down hept means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then on the fourth position, we have a double bond and one group, that is the ketonic group. And then of course, I'm going to balance it with hydrogen. Okay, here the structural formula is not asked, but I'm just explaining you how to draw the structural formula. You can directly write down the bond line formula. Okay, this is CH3. So now while writing the bond line, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Clear? And then on the fourth position, we have a double bond O, that is the ketonic group. Okay? So I hope you understood the entire concept.